Are you frustrated? Feel like you're down on your luck when it comes to making money online? Well, listen, the truth is, making money online isn't as hard as it's made out to be. Sadly, most overcomplicate things with nonsense like autoresponders, hosting, chatbots, funnels, and the list goes on and on. Ugh, what a headache. It doesn't have to be this complicated. All you need are two things: traffic or website visitors plus something to sell. That's it. Combine those two things together and you've got yourself a rock-solid strategy for making money online. This is the same formula that's made me millions of dollars online. You're likely struggling with the traffic part, right? You're definitely not alone. I've spoken to hundreds of different people and they report having the same exact problem. And it's no surprise, because 99.9% of traffic generation methods are either too slow, time-consuming, or simply just flat-out expensive. If you could finally get your hands on targeted traffic that's interested in what you're selling, would you see yourself making money online? Of course! Without a doubt, that's your biggest obstacle right now. But then one day, my team made a game-changing discovery. They uncovered an untapped 122 million visitor source packed to the brim with hungry buyers. These people want to be sold to. It's like selling water to a thirsty jogger. So we tested it out and sure enough, it worked. Not only did I get traffic, but I also made money, and all it took was 6 hours. Talk about freaky fast results. We knew we were onto something huge. So, instead of doing it manually, my team completely automated this method. Introducing Slingshot. Slingshot is an app that lets you send any link, funnel, offer, or website of your choice directly to this massive pool of 122 million hungry, rabid buyers with just 2 clicks. Here's how easy it is. Click 1, enter the link you want traffic to be sent to. This can be anything you want, such as an affiliate link. And click 2, activate Slingshot. Sit back and let Slingshot leverage breakthrough artificial intelligence and automation to send you up to 122 million free buyers. That's it. No extra fees or flaming hoops to jump through. Just let Slingshot work its magic behind the scenes. This isn't rocket science. Slingshot is a guaranteed way to get free buyer traffic for your offer, product, or service. It's never failed me or my students, nor will it fail you. So how much will Slingshot cost you? Well, with the amount of traffic you could be generating with Slingshot, how much of a price tag would you put on that? Normally, it's not uncommon to pay $2 per click for one visitor of traffic on platforms like Facebook or Google. So, let's run some numbers. 100 clicks per day for 30 days equals $6,000. 200 clicks per day for 30 days equals $12,000. 500 clicks per day for 30 days equals $30,000. Crazy, right? With that being said, we could easily charge $297 per month for Slingshot. And that would still be a tiny fraction of the price that you'd normally pay for traffic. But you won't pay $297 a month, not $197 a month, not $97 per month, not $47 per month, not even monthly at all. All you'll pay is the price of a cheap t-shirt. Isn't that a small price to pay to radically change your life? To be able to finally provide for the ones you love? But we will be pulling down this discount soon. To ensure that this traffic source doesn't become too saturated, we will be closing our doors at any moment. That means if you come back later, you could forever lose the chance to get your hands on Slingshot. And that may have serious consequences on your business. Listen, if the low one-time investment wasn't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this decision 100% risk-free. If you aren't able to get traffic from Slingshot, just let us know within the next 180 days from when you purchased, and we'll send you every penny back. There is no way for you to lose. The only way you miss out is by not getting started. So, take the plunge, get your hands on Slingshot by clicking the button below right now. I'll see you inside.